What is up, you guys? My name is Littlewolf, and today I'll be showing you how to do an abstract painting. So the first thing you want to do, you want to take your red paint, pink paint, orange paint, yellow paint, light green paint, dark green paint, light blue paint, and dark blue paint, and take off all the caps. Yep, pretty boring. Enjoy this music. Now that that's done, you want to take some clear tape and just make a little cross on it so you'll have 4 sections sectioned off. Now, sorry my footage is a little wobbly. It's been wobbly all week. And sorry I'm posting so late. I have been so busy and I've been trying to record different videos and I've been recording tons, but I just feel like they're not enough for you guys. So I came to this option, and you know, it's been a while since I've done a craft video, so I think you guys might enjoy it. Now, the next thing you want to do, you want to take your pink and red paint, and again, sorry about the wobbly camera footage. Here's a little tip, not a tip. Here's a little sad fact. I used a selfie stick. So I have to use my phone. Yeah, that's pretty depressing. But ignore the fact that I'm using a selfie stick, and let's just get on with the video. So first thing you want to do, you want to dip your paintbrush in some water, then dip it in red paint and start painting on the bottom. You can do the top, bottom, whatever you want. And you're just color contrasting things. You're just color... You're not color contrasting. You are just blending the two similar colors together. It's pretty difficult to blend. I know I suck at it, but I still did the video anyway because I was getting desperate, but I wanted to give you guys good content. Anyway, what is this type of painting called? I know it's not abstract because abstract looks like this. Yeah, okay, that's not abstract. What is that? Oh god, let me search it up. Okay, there we go. Alright, anyway, now you're just gonna kind of try and blend it the best you can. What I did, I dipped the red in the pink and the pink in the red to kind of make a similar color, and then I just plopped it down on the middle. It's kind of my thing. But it didn't go too well, and I was kind of making a mess, and blah, 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 so on and so on. Yeah, it just gets pretty boring from here, so let's just speed it up. And before I do, that's basically all you want to do. You want to just do that, but with all the different colors on each. And yeah, so that's my orange one. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking. Did I just paint on my camera? What the heck did I do? Oh, sorry about that, whatever. Back to the video. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed that ASMR. Sorry if you hated it. Feel free to leave a dislike if you hate ASMR. I don't like it either, but in case you do, hope you liked it. Alright, sorry about the camera plop. I don't know what I was doing. Final step, put your signature on. Make sure the paint's fully dried, or at least put on a protective coat, or else in case you're doing it in Sharpie, it's going to be very difficult. As you can tell, I struggled, and my Littlewolf signature was not my best, I gotta admit. Especially the heart, it looked more like butt cheeks than a heart. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm just showing you the mess on my desk. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that you will consider subscribing after seeing this video, or that you'll leave me, what the heck did I do? You'll leave me some feedback, and I'll see you next time. Bye!